This is happening. This is happening. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you serious? The crowd just walked in like it's nothing. Dude, you're not supposed to be in here. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is happening. This is happening. This is happening. Are you gonna do the dishes? That would be amazing if you could, actually. Okay. You gotta, sir, you need to turn the water on. Dude, I cannot believe this. I think he's calling his friend. He's like, it seems fine. He's just videotaping. Who says videotaping? People still say videotape? There are no tapes anymore, right? It's like video recording. Okay, this is the one that keeps stealing the cat food. And now he's trying to take it to the next level. There we go, okay. On the counter, approaching, and going into trash. I think this is where the food trash is. Yeah, that's there's a bag over there. It's got all the leftovers and the organic trash. I think that's fine. You can take that. You know, better than bacteria's eating it. And maybe it is time that we close these windows. Huh? I think we should. Yeah, this is what he's trying to get into. Oh my god, it's broken. Alright. Okay, back to work. That was interesting. Bro, that's loud. That's loud. That's loud. You're not letting me work. You're not letting me concentrate. Oh, what is going on in here? Come on, man. Come on, go away. Okay, go. Go. You got your food, go. Oh my gosh, screaming. Hello. Yeah, you're fine. You're alright. Let me just open. Actually, it's closed. Okay, alright. Seriously? Seriously? Okay, maybe you should just leave. Come here, come on. Okay, door's open. Come on, go. Okay, go. And you gotta take care of that leg, buddy. Okay, you happy? Good. Everybody's happy. Dude, are you serious? Give me a break for 5 minutes, man. Can you please tell that teenager Craw, if he continues doing this, I'm gonna call the police.
I mean, he's taking care of you because you're baby crow.
Oh, baby Craw. No, I'm serious. I'm gonna call the cops though.
You baby crow.
I'm gonna call the cops on him. Look, even the cat's freaking out. Where is that thing? Yeah, it's right up there. It's just screaming constantly and so loud.
You have a party.
It's Sunday, dude. Take a break. Come on. I don't know. Go on a walk or something. For a change. Stop flying and screaming. I'm gonna have to go to Singapore and come back tomorrow. From Kuala Lumpur. That's my aunt texting. Let me just swipe that. It's I really don't feel like it right now, but midnight, my bus is leaving from Kuala Lumpur, and then I'm gonna be in Singapore. It's 7 a.m. Go back to the shopping mall, pick up my backpack. Long story, I'll tell you about it later. My laptop, my passport, my wallet is in there. They just got back to me like this morning that they found it, and because I didn't have it, I had to go to the American embassy and get an emergency passport printed in like 3 hours. Paid a whole bunch of money. Long story. 1 day of journey. I'll get into it later. This is it for now. Early in the morning. Crossing back into Singapore on the bridge. That's it. Yo, this really reminds me of Santa Monica. It's like super similar. Stores, you know, people singing. Wow.